Sometimes you just can't make AI do what you want it to. You can't, you keep trying, I've done this, trying, get the right answer. Forget it. So, well, how are some ways you can get help from AI so you can write a good prompt? Because the prompt response, the output it gives you is only as good as your prompt that you gave it. You heard that garbage in, garbage out. So let's see what we can do about this. Here's just some ideas. Get my mouse on the right slide. So if you're frustrated, then here are some ideas. Since it can get confused, you can get confused, you can get frustrated. Let's see what we can do. Ask AI for the best prompt to do a certain thing, which is what I'm going to demonstrate for you here in just a second. Or you can tell it, as I'm also going to do, let's just start a new topic. Let's start over again. And it will forget everything up here and then just keep going with a new topic down there. If it's not understanding something, then if you can give it specific feedback about what it's not understanding, then it might do a better job and then write a new prompt. 2 slides. You could copy this. If it gets just too confused, just go up and find a piece that's good, take that, and then start a new thread. Tell it we're going to start over from scratch or start a new thread and paste it in there with better prompt instructions from you, and then maybe it can do it. That's a good technique to try. And then, as I had mentioned before, it's always better to start more broadly and then drill down to specifics. Let's go look at an example. I want AI to create a table of information for me that I can export to a new document. I didn't actually run this before, so we'll see what happens. So I'm going to ask it to tell me what prompt to write to make it output a table. Okay, yeah, fun, why not? If you were just watching the last video, then we asked AI to give us a set of advantages of using AI. Okay, so let me say, let's start a new topic. Let's see what it says. Okay, what would you like to talk about next? That's a common response, something like that. So here I already copied and pasted it. And you don't have to do you need me to make new lines? I can. Remember it's Shift Enter, remember that? We did that way back in another video, Shift Enter. And I'm going to take out the little Enter key out of there, the Shift Enter that I put when I typed it there. Okay? So like that. Let's see what we get. Send. To help me understand your request for creating a table of information to export to a Word document, use the verb organize in your prompt instructions. Oh, this will indicate that you want to structure data in a table format for export. I put you on pause. I wrote this. I don't know. Maybe this will be a good prompt. We'll see. Act as a geography teacher. We are studying what? We are studying countries in Central America. For each country in Central America, give information about population, form of government, and top 3 languages spoken. I just chose those. You know, you could do a lot more. You could iterate and get more information after you got the basic table. Mhm. I got a how at the bottom. Let me get rid of that how. Okay. Organize the information into a table that I can export to Word. Okay, go. 3 seconds again. And the thing is, if you notice, I always have to scroll back up because it always goes up past it. And I'm down on my turn for the iteration of the prompt. So I'll have to go back. Ooh, looky there. Now, did it fit very well into its output? Yeah, but remember how much I have it zoomed, okay? So I'm in Codebreaker EDU. Up here, there's a copy button. So I'm going to click copy and hold on just a second. I'll go to Word. I went and opened Word. And do you know about that on the styles? If I click no spacing style, then it doesn't put extra space every time you press the enter key, which I wouldn't want for this table. And I'll press Control V. And phooey, I sure didn't get what I wanted, did I? So The next thing you can do, I won't take the time on the video, but go back and ask, how can I format this so it'll come out right looking in Word? But what we can actually do is if we copy and paste it, it says to export. I did it just to save time. And you can see, let me zoom in a little bit. Up too much. That it now is in, if you know how to, oh, I should make this bigger so you can see it, right? See, this is in a table form. It's, if I, you can tell that because you can click on that and we'll select the table. Anyway, it's there in table form. And I did that by copy and paste. Different platforms are different. You just have to try and see how it works. Some have an export button, some have a share button. They're all different. But ask it how to do it.